Xigaze City in southwest China's Tibet Autonomous Region has been known for time-honored Tibetan mental forging skills, enlisted in the National Intangible Heritage. In the city's Xigaze district, gold, silver, and copper forging techniques boast a history of hundreds of years. The skills have been well preserved and inherited in a local factory. In the factory, the ancient techniques have shown fresh vitality with the marriage of craftsmanship and modern production mode. Amid the tinkling sound, pieces of gold, silver, and bronze ware have been produced by the collaboration of craftsmen. In Laos County, Tibetan knife forging skills have been passed down in a more traditional way. Tibetan Laos knives have a history of more than 1,000 years. Famous for their sharpness due to repeated forging, the Laos knives have been widely used in locals' daily life. Now, knife forging skills have been inherited in Seton Wangel's family for the 8th generation, with his 2 sons and recently a grandson picking up the baton.